What's up guys? This is VST. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple tricks to give attack, or punch to any sound you want. Here, I have an instance of Sylenth1, with the init preset loaded up. I've also made a simple 4-bar melody in my piano roll, for demonstration purposes. Before we get started, we have to make sure to set the attack in the amplitude envelope to 0. Now, let's get started. The first trick is to use a mod envelope to modulate the pitch of our sound. Let me show you. We have to adjust the decay time accordingly to get a nice attack on our sound. The more the decay time is, the sharper the attack is. I usually set my decay time somewhere between 0.5 and 1.5, depending on the type of sound I'm aiming for. The second trick is to use a percussion layer on top of your leads. Any percussion sound such as hi-hat, tom, cowbell, can be used. In this case, I'm going to be using FL Studio's basic hat sample to demonstrate my technique. I'm going to copy the MIDI of my lead's sound and paste it to the piano roll of the hat sample. Since my lead melody is in the key of E, I'm going to edit the MIDI of the hat sample, and make it play only the E note. The third trick is to use a white noise layer on top of the lead. This is similar to using a percussion layer. However, if your sound is lacking punch and high frequencies at the same time, then doing this can make it sound much fuller. Let me know what you guys think about these techniques. Also, please subscribe for more awesome music production related tutorials.